How to disable video autoplay in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to disable video autoplay in Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now select three-line icon at top right. To make this easier, you can even use the search bar at top to find for data uses, or you can even scroll down. Here you can look for data uses and media quality, select that. Here you'll get the option to use less data. Simply toggle the button on for data saver. So when this is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use the less data. So in this way you can easily help or stop video autoplay in Instagram. I hope this guide works, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.